Okay guys, this is an easy one. This is tuna pies with store-bought ingredients, including ready-made puff pastry. So our ingredients then: a tin of corn, some frozen peas, some chopped garlic and onion, 2 tins of tuna and some cheddar. So we need to make a roux first. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 60 grams of butter in a pan, only on medium, add our garlic, little stir fry, and then add our onions. Just give this a stir around. We don't want any colour on this as such, but we want to release the flavour, so just stir it around till it's translucent and we have a nice aroma. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And then we want to add 60 grams of flour, stir it all in and cook it out. We do not want the raw taste of flour. So nice and gently then, stir it round, cook out the rawness. And then we want to start adding a splash of milk. So add a splash of milk, loosen up the mixture, stir it round. It will start to thicken quite quickly. Add another splash of milk and keep repeating this process till we get a nice creamy sauce. When we've got a nice creamy sauce, then what we need to do is add our corn. Stir it all in, and then we add our frozen peas. And a real good handful of cheddar cheese. Now you can use any cheese you like, but I'm using cheddar. Fold it all through, stir it in. And then we want to add our 2 cans of tuna. Now what we need to do is just fold this in. We don't want to stir it in vigorously. We want to keep some chunks of tuna in there. And then give it a taste test. Taste and adjust. If there's not enough salt in, put some more salt in. Then on our ready-made puff pastry, just put a spoonful of mixture. And then we want to top our mixture with a little bit of our cheddar cheese. And then put some puff pastry over the top, and then crimp it down with a fork. After crimping it down, put on a baking sheet lined with baking parchment. And then what we want to do then is we need to egg wash this to give us that nice glaze on our pasties when they're cooked. So egg wash them all, and then we need to make some vent holes. So just with a knife, a couple of vent holes in the top, let the steam out, and then in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. And that is our pasties made. So simple, so quick, so easy, very tasty. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget like and subscribe and share with your friends. Absolutely excellent. Fantastic, so simple, so easy. Quick ingredients, couple of tins, some puff pastry, and a fantastic light meal. Now if you like what we're doing, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.